What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the principle of features, advantages, and benefits to you so that you can understand them and use them well in your copy. So if you're ready, let me share my screen and show you how to do that. Okay, welcome to my screen. So the thing about features, advantages, and benefits is that most people have no idea what the advantages are meant to be, and they kind of get advantages and benefits confused. So let me explain it to you. Like, this is actually a template that I created for my copywriting experience students while I'm teaching them how to write landing pages. But I thought that I would jump onto YouTube and explain the fab principle to you guys, which is features, advantages, and benefits. So let's say that we have a mobile phone. Like, I know this is an iPad, but let's just pretend it's a mobile phone because my mobile phone is hard at work right now recording this video. So basically, if I said that one feature of the mobile phone is the built-in camera, the advantage of the built-in camera basically describes to us and the prospect how they would use this function. So how does one use a built-in camera? Well, obviously by taking pictures with their phone. So what is the benefit of being able to take pictures with your phone? The benefit is that you don't have to carry around a big DSLR camera, or you don't even have to buy one in the first place. So we're talking about saving money, saving you stress, making things easier for you because you're not like walking around with this huge heavy thing. You don't need the extra space for a camera. You're not risking being robbed because everything is in your phone, so you just pull it up and go chick, and you're taking professional pictures just like you would with a DSLR. Now let's talk about something else. If we wanted to, for example, talk about these wireless headphones, and one of the features is that they are wireless. Okay, so what is the advantage of that? Well, it means that you will be able to listen to music, podcasts, or talk on the phone without having a cable attached to your phone. So then the benefit of that is obviously you're not, like, if you wanted to put a funny benefit, you'll never have to spend time untangling headphones. If you wanted to put down, like, the obvious benefit of that is that it's just easier for you to not have a cable, and you can run, you can move freely, so you can use it as like working out advantage, or that you're going to look cool because you don't have the old school headphones, you have the new generation stuff. So what else? If I wanted to give you an example, for example, I have a water here, which comes from the mountains and whatever. It's perfect, great, fantastic water. So the feature of it is that it comes from the specific region of Poland, which is my country. So the advantage of that feature that the water comes from is obviously that you're going to be drinking water that comes from that region. So what are the benefits? You could talk about the health benefits, say that you're getting water from the healthiest source, and it has whatever, like, you're going to be healthy and hydrated, and it tastes good, and it's going to be yummy, and blah blah blah. So when we're talking about the benefits always relate to something like saving money or having more money. So it's like the basic survival needs almost that kind of like are still in the reptile part of our brain and our psychology. So saving money, gathering more money, or saving resources, gathering more resources, saving time, avoiding stress, so making things easier, social status, social inclusivity. Those are like the basic things. So every benefit is going to boil down to that. Let's do something else, just one more example. Let's say we have this wooden brush that's meant to is for like massage and stuff. So a feature of this brush could be natural bristles. The advantage of that is that obviously you will be using the natural bristles on your skin, and the benefit of using natural bristles on your skin is that we could say that they're more effective at reducing cellulite, so you're going to feel more confident, etc., etc. So the advantage, essentially, you might be thinking, but why would I even include that? That's so simple. Obviously, if it has natural bristles, that means you'll be using the natural bristles on your body. Yes and no, because you have to think about the fact that it's not always so straightforward, like how for the prospect, how they're going to how they're going to be using that specific feature of the product. So for you, it might be obvious that this camera means that you can take pictures with it. I mean, obvious, right? But think about the time when built-in cameras were first introduced. It wasn't so obvious, like, what it is and how we're going to use it. Or when the slow motion effect was introduced in camera apps inside our phones, not everybody knew what that meant. So the advantage is basically explaining to the customer what the feature does, or how they're going to use it, and then how it's going to benefit them. So I hope this helped you out. Like, I always recommend you labor over the features and just write every single feature of the, so if you were working with this iPad, you would talk about the material it's made out of, the capacity, and the different things you can do with it, the built-in camera, the different apps in the camera. Literally try to list every single feature that you can think of, and then move on to the advantages and the benefits, and write multiple benefits for every feature, and approach the benefits from different sides, like what's a funny benefit, what's a surprising benefit, what's the obvious benefit, what's the benefit turned upside down, etc. And just try to be creative with your benefits. And that's how you would basically start writing any copy. That is everything for today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you like learning with me, don't forget to check out my 5-day copywriting challenge. The link is in the description. I hope to see you in the group.